One of the most exciting days of the project going on right now, it is tower flying day. So we got a helicopter on site. We've been flying most of the day and getting some of the towers in as we inch closer to opening day for the new lift. So there are a couple of new ski runs, one of which will take you right back into the main village core and provide that accessibility that people have been looking for. The Orient lift is a really exciting project. It's going to open up way better access to the East Village ski area of the resort. So there's a lot of fun runs over there that are a little difficult to lap now on a consistent basis. So this new chair is really going to open up a ton of new possibilities for that. Additionally, all the accommodation and the people that are staying or living out here in the East Village now have their own little ski pod with the quad chair going up Mount Morrissey and now the quad chair that's going up Orient Bridge as well.